welcome back to another episode of the R.A.D Skate Park Check-In. I'm Vincent Basile, and like always, Anthony Biondo behind the lens. Today we brought Justin SAITTA, and today we arrived at the BERRYLANE skate park right here in Jersey City. It's the third episode, so make sure you check out the first two we did, West New York Skate Park and Castle Point, directly across from New York City. Good vibes, good park. Check out those videos. Right outside of New York City still, not too far of a hike. So with that being said, I want to say one more thing before we go inside, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. I would appreciate that very much. Doesn't take much, it's free. And yeah, let's go inside. Like, you know, enough with the chit chat. Come on inside, guys. Guys, we're in the park. I guess before we go that way, there's a sweet bowl, and it's totally built in with all these features in it. You could actually hit this section like a mini ramp, you know what I mean? A half pipe right here. An extended quarter out of the bowl. You got your bowl and then like the bank built into it. And also like that little hump with the rolling. All right, guys, let's show you the other side of the park. The quarter pipe, I guess we're standing on, it's just like all cut up. It's not like a straight line across. Definitely a takeoff zone. Ready to go into the park. Right next to that quarter pipe is this big bank, and I believe there's another bank directly on the other side, but let's show you the features that are right over here. A-frame, kicker to kicker, the ledge, there's a box, and then a manual pad built right there, all attached to each other. And then this rolling, you could grind the sides, it's got coping on it. This is unique, flat bar, rock gap. And then you have the kicker to kicker right here. That's definitely sketchy, gotta commit. I said the park was big, I kinda lied, right? I think it's big, it's bigger than most. The park is bigger than most. We're almost done showing you the features. I figured we'd be going on and on, but if I keep talking, we will be. But guys, the ledge connected to the bank. Now you have this 3-stair with a handrail. Then you have this other A-frame with this flat handrail on the top. Big kicker gap, almost Euroed. Another A-frame with a rail. I guess it's not exactly mirrored because this is stairs and that's an A-frame. But is it?
No, it is mirrored in the middle.
Man, what is wrong with me? Man, it is a mirrored image on both sides. That's all I had to say. Justin's chilling, he's ready for clips. We do a lot of talking. He's like, dude, can we skate? Show you the bank. Nice quarter on this side, takeoff zone, or you get your transition tricks. I guess you could skate this as like a ledge if you wanted to. And then guys, like, yeah, that's the park. I think it's got a little bit of everything for everybody. I'm excited. I like what I see, and I showed you the park. Let's get some clips. We'll talk. Do it.
Ground report.
Ground report from the ground.
The ground is smooth and it's, I like it. The park is great. The ground is great. Justin?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Loving it.
From the ground, it looks really good. Did you get that on film? Can I ollie that? Justin's going to kickflip it. If he kickflips it, I'm on it. Let's go. Come on, Vin. You're not hyped. Let's go. You about to land this right here. Let's go. Right here. Stop being a... Come on. Finally. Oh, I had to do it. I don't know why I'm so scared.
I'm glad you did it.
It's scary sometimes. I'm gonna be 40. You guys probably don't even know that.
You gotta push yourself though.
4-0, I know. It's no
Progression.
excuses.
Step out of your own boundaries.
Suck.
That's dope. Good shit.
Oh, Lordy. Oh, yeah, get that stretch. Get that stretch. Board.
Hell yeah. Guys, I should have brought my camera today.
Damn, bro. That was beautiful. That's crazy. Good shit, bro.
All right, I'm done. I got the worst cramp. Tastes mad good.
Sponsored by Tate's.
We need a sponsor. How do we get sponsored? Sponsored by Cool Breeze. Sponsored by Cool Breeze. Thank you, Nick from Cool Breeze.
Check out the new Grizzly Cool Breeze collab. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Good grip.
Shout out to Cool Breeze because he's gonna sponsor the video and pay us. So we appreciate you paying us, paying Justin and paying Anthony and paying everybody. Thanks to Cool Breeze. Thank you for watching the BERRYLANE skate park right here in Jersey City in New Jersey, just outside of New York, not too far. Got here nice and early. The park was a lot of fun. I think it had a little something for everybody. Shout out to Justin, of course. What did you think of the park?
Bro, this park is mad fun. This park is so fun. You got it all. It's just perfect.
Are you talking up for the camera or are you being real?
No, they got flat bar and everything, dude. I'm loving it.
That was the first thing you said, I remember. They're like,
Yeah,
you got a
bro.
flat bar.
As long as you're being real, man.
Yeah, man.
That's
No, it is really good. I have fun here.
Solid.
Good people, too.
Yeah,
You guys are
shout-
awesome.
yeah.
Yeah, shout out the locals.
What up, y'all?
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna give you this spiel like I always do. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button, comment on the video, and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please help us grow. It's free. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers, and I cannot do that without you. So help me. Help me, please. Help us while I help you. Follow us on Instagram, R.A.D Boardsport Co. And if you guys like the merch that you see us wearing, check out the website at www.radboardsport.co. And more importantly, most important thing, you know, don't forget to ride all day.